So the difference in this problem is it doesn't start with just x squared. There's a number, a coefficient other than 1 in front of the squared term. So the rule is you can add this to your steps. Must have, we call it the leading coefficient. Coefficient has to be 1. And what we mean by that is it's got to be 1x squared or m squared or y squared, whatever the variable is, okay? Well, it's not. It's 2m squared. So what we're going to do is we're just going to divide everything by 2. Just divide everything by 2. And that will take care of the problem. We're allowed. You can divide both sides by any number you want as long as it's not 0. So then we have m squared plus 8m plus 7 equals 0. Okay, so I'm going to solve by completing the square. So m squared plus 8m, and then I'm going to put the 7 over on the other side. So minus 7 over there. All right, now we're going to complete the square. So what number do we add in? I take the 8, I divide it by 2, and I square it. So 8 divided by 2 is 4, and 4 squared is 16. So I'm going to add 16 to both sides. And then on the left, I'm going to have m plus 4. Now remember where the 4 comes from. It's the number before you square it. Or you can think of what's the square root of 16. So m plus 4 squared. And then on the right-hand side, negative 7 and 16 is 9. Okay, now we'll take the square root of both sides. Here it comes. Don't forget the plus or minus. I just always say that. I know you're not going to forget, but m plus 4 equals plus or minus. I know the square root of 9 is 3. Okay, I'm still going to bring the 4 over to the other side. That's going to make it m equals negative 4 plus or minus 3. But because I don't have a radical part, I'm going to be able to combine here. So I'm going to have negative 4 minus 3 and negative 4 plus 3. So I'm going to get two solutions. One's going to be negative 7 and the other is going to be negative 1. And there we go.